Hello students, today we are going to learn chapter number first. Who will do this? There is a story about Meena and Chintu. They are brother and sister. They study in school. Chintu does not like to go to school. Meena goes to school regularly while Chintu is irregular. Mummy wants to educate both the children, namely Meena and Chintu. Grandfather tells both of them a new story every day. Grandmother teaches them how to sing. Chintu and Meena are dear to all in the school. They are friendly with all the students in the school. Mom and dad are much worried about Chintu's studies. They keep a close watch at their going to school regularly. Now think and say, what would चिंटू डिसलाइक गोइंग टू स्कूल? यानी कि आपको सोच के बताना है कि चिंटू को स्कूल जाना क्यों पसंद नहीं होगा. देर आर सो मैनी रीजन्स. मे बी ही डज नॉट गेट टू प्ले इन द स्कूल. ही लव्स टॉयज वेरी मच बट ही इज़ नॉट अलाउड टू टेक देम टू स्कूल. His friends also do not come to school daily. His teacher never makes them play games in the class. His grandparents take a great care of him and give him freedom to play at home, which he does not get at school. Then second question, what would Chintu dislike in the school? यानी कि अगर वो स्कूल जाता भी था तो उसको स्कूल में क्या पसंद नहीं था. There is so many reasons, like he has to remain in the class whole day. Teachers keep on teaching him continuously. The lack of toys in the school. Maybe he is not allowed to talk to his friends during class. Now look at the observation, page number 2. There are 6 pictures. You have to observe them and now look at the observation on page number 2. Observe the pictures carefully on the basis of a health, cleanness and tick the picture right or wrong. First, defecate in a public. That is a very wrong habit. Second, use toilet, which is a very good. Third is drainage in a open. And fourth is drain in a gutter. So look at the picture and third is a wrong one and fourth is a right. Now look at the picture number 5th and 6th. Throw garbage in open, throw garbage in dustbin. Now say your answer. Answer number 6 is a very good habit. Now think and say, do you throw garbage in the dustbin? Do you use toilet? Do you wash your hands with a soap before eating and after using the toilet? Do you release dirty water throughout drain, gutter or a safety tank? How many of your answers are yes? All your answers are right. Then you have a good cleanness habit. Public property. There are many things in our villages or streets. They are our facilities. These are such facilities which are not owned by any individual but are used by everyone. जैसे कि हमारे एरिया के अंदर स्ट्रीट में बहुत सी ऐसी चीज़ें होती है जिसको हम सब यूज़ करते हैं, लेकिन वो किसी एक की नहीं होती है, वो सब के लिए होती है, जिसको बोलते हैं पब्लिक प्रॉपर्टी. जैसे कि हमारी स्ट्रीट लाइट. Such properties are called public properties. Given below are the pictures of such public properties which may also be found in your village. Now look at the picture on page number 4. You can see there is a garden, temple, pond, mosque, then fountain, trees. So there is so many public properties. Now you have a question that which is public property. So there are so many examples like garden, public park, primary school, religious places like temple, mosque, gurudwara, church, lake, public toilet. These are public properties. Public properties in your surroundings. Now you have to write in your textbook which public properties in your surrounding. For example, bus station, library, town hall. These are public properties. Nowadays you are very aware of hand washing, but you know 15th October is celebrated as a hand washing day. Dirty hands can cause many diseases. Now look at the observation on page number 6. First picture is about, look at the observation on page number 6. In the first picture, the woman sweeps the street and throws the garbage in the dustbin. This is a good practice. What is wrong in the both pictures? In the second figure, the garbage is thrown in the open due to which people get ill. This is a bad habit. We throw the waste of our house in the dustbin. What is the arrangement for the disposal of street rubbish? The municipal arranges tractor trolleys for dumping the rubbish accommodated in the village. Municipal employees take the waste away. जैसे कि आपके घर से जो भी होता है कचरा वो ट्रैक्टर या ट्रॉली में म्यूनिसिपल एम्प्लॉइज़ जो होते हैं वो लेके जाते हैं और वो उनको डंपिंग साइट पे डंप करते हैं, यानी वहाँ पर वो उसको फेंक के आते हैं. वेयर डू यू रिलीज डर्टी वाटर ऑफ योर हाउस? जैसे आप अपने घर का जो डर्टी वाटर होता है उसको सुएज या फिर गटर में उसको रिलीज करते हैं, विच इज़ अ वेरी गुड हैबिट. नाउ ऑब्जर्व द पिक्चर ऑन द पेज नंबर 7. What do you see in the first picture? In the first picture, we see that Amit and Rahul are playing in the park. There is a bench behind Rahul and a plant behind Amit. There are garden, trees and another plant nearby. Now, what is Amit doing? In the second picture, Amit is helping Rahul to get up, who has fallen down on the plant, and in the fourth picture, Amit is trying to keep erect the fallen plant. यानी उससे जो पौधा गिर गया था उसको वो खड़ा करने की कोशिश कर रहा है. Rahul fell on the plant due to which the plant broke. In the third picture, Rahul is sadly watching the fallen plant, and in the fourth picture, Rahul erected the fallen plant with Amit's help and pour water on it. What should Rahul actually do? Rahul must not play in the garden in a manner such that plants or flowers may get damaged. Gardens are a public property and hence we must protect them. Now observe the picture page on 8. What do you observe in the picture? It is raining in the first part of first picture. A house is also shown. The rainwater collected on the terrace of the house is sent into the ground near the hand pump by a special arrangement. In the second part of the picture, a boy is filling water in a bucket using the हैंड पंप। यानी कि जो रेन वाटर होता है उसको रेन हार्वेस्टिंग कहते हैं। उसको जो भी पानी टेरेस पे इकट्ठा हुआ है उसको एक पाइप के थ्रू अंडरग्राउंड टैंक में कलेक्ट किया जाता है और फिर उसी को हम हैंड पंप के थ्रू यूज़ कर सकते हैं। नाउ इन द सेकंड पिक्चर, so first part, water tap is shown open. Two women who have come to fill water are talking near the tap. The picture is filled and the water is overflowing. In the second part of the picture, a woman goes without closing the water tap, due to which the other woman does not get water. So this is a very bad habit, that running water can be waste. Now list down the activities where the water is saved and wasted in your surroundings. यानी कि ऐसे कौन सी चीज़ें हैं जिससे कि पानी वेस्ट होता है और जिसको हमें बचाना चाहिए. Like many locality, my uncle's home, in the water is used economically. We close the water tap as soon as a bucket is full. The other houses of our locality let the water overflow. They even spray water in front of their houses. Now children, you have to observe. Now in the second picture, so first part, water tap is shown open. Two women who have come to fill water are talking near the tap. The picture is filled and the water is overflowing. In the second part of the picture, a woman goes without closing the water tap, due to which the other woman does not get water. So this is a very bad habit, that running water can be waste. Now list down the activities where the water is saved and wasted in your surroundings. यानी कि ऐसे कौन सी चीज़ें हैं जिससे कि पानी वेस्ट होता है और जिसको हमें बचाना चाहिए. Like many locality, my uncle's home, in the water is used economically. We close the water tap as soon as a bucket is full. The other houses of our locality let the water overflow. They even spray water in front of their houses. Now children, you have to observe page number 9 and you have to observe the all 9 pictures and you have to answer the question in the below. Which is a good habit? You have to tick right on the picture which is a good habit. This is our chapter number 1. It completed here. Thank you.